Hey, so just down at the river for a beautiful walk. Yeah, found a little quiet little island to walk through, and it's super peaceful, and there's so much growing. So yeah, it's really lovely. Yeah, this ancient little woodland here that's been untouched for years and years. And found some sweet Cicely. So it's perfect for harvesting at this moment. Just as the wild garlic's gone to flower, so the nutrients go up into the flower then. It's still good to eat the wild garlic now, but some of the nutrients and the life force has come out of the leaves. But you can also use the flowers, and especially the wee buds. So yeah, here is sweet Cicely. The wee white flowers are starting to grow. You must be really careful to not get it confused with poisonous hemlock. So yeah, and especially in nature, a lot of the things which are poisonous tend to grow around the edibles, like mushrooms and so on. So how to identify it? You can have a wee look and make sure that it's got little white dots. If it doesn't have dots, then do not pick it. Be really careful. And perfect. Tastes like licorice. You found something else?
The sticks.
Oh, nice. Don't know. Oh, it's very, very sticky grass. Don't know if that's edible. It is sticky. Stick it to your face. And what else? The sweet Cicely right now is good for harvesting. Really, really sweet. Tastes like licorice. You can make tea with it. So yeah, careful not to confuse it with hemlock. Hemlock is poisonous. If you eat it, they used to use it. Oh, heron. Don't know if you see that. Beautiful heron across the other side, and some ducks. They used it to kill Socrates. They used it to kill a lot of people in ancient Greece. So in 399 AD, it was used to kill the famous Socrates, who they were worried that he was corrupting the young men of Athens at the time. So yeah, be very careful. This is very, very good for people with asthma. If you have a cough, it also can be used to treat urinary tract infections. And what else? It's also a blood purifier. Yeah, it purifies your blood. So look out for this on your nature walks. It's absolutely beautiful. Lots of love. Peace out.